Hello everybody, this is Rashmi and in today's video we are going to discuss some basic programs, basic Java program. Let's start with the program. The first program where we have to find out the compound interest and we have to print the value of amount. Alright, for this we have a formula A is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T, and for calculating CI amount A minus P, that means the principal value you have to subtract from your amount value. Now before starting the program you must understand all the terms like A is the amount, P is a principal value, R is a rate of interest and T is a time. Let's start with the code. First we are going to import the package because we are using the scanner class over here, so this util package is very much important over here. Next, the class name, I have taken the compound. You can choose your class name by yourself. Okay, now open the class bracket. After that write the main method, public static void main string arg. Open the method bracket. Now the most important thing, you need to create the object of the scanner class. Alright, now give a message to the user to enter the principal amount. As we can say, the principal amount might be in integer, might be in double or float. So we are on a safer side, we are taking the float variable, double variable. That is, we are taking P variable to store the principal amount. Similar, we are taking rate of interest to store the rate of interest. Same time interval, we are taking double interval because we can say like 1.5 years, 1.7 years. So for this we don't want to take any kind of risk over here, so we are taking all the variable in double. Now write the amount formula in terms of Java expression. Alright, we are going to write first, then we are calculating the compound interest. At the end you have to print the both the values, the compound interest as well as the amount value. Alright, and at last you have to close method bracket and at the end you have to close class bracket. Let's talk about the second program. In this program we are converting the Fahrenheit temperature value into Celsius. For this we must know the formula. The formula is equals to C equal to 5 upon 9 multiply with F minus 32, which is the basic formula. Alright, now start with the code. Import java.util.scanner. After that, the class name, I have taken the temp over here a class name, you can choose by your own name. Now write the main method as usual we are writing, then the scanner class object. After that we are giving a user to enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. Always remember this part is very important because we have to tell the यूज़र कि उसको टेम्परेचर किस वे में प्रिंट करना है या किस वे में एंटर करना है. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द टेम्परेचर इन डबल बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट 98.7, 93.6, 91.2 these kind of temperature value we are getting from the user. Then apply this formula into the Java expression. The only important part is that you have to write the formula into the Java expression form. Okay, now at the end you need to print the value in Celsius or you can also print the value in Fahrenheit. Alright, so you can compare both the values over here and at the end you need to be close the method bracket and at last the class bracket. I hope students आपको इन दो प्रोग्राम में कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं आई होगी and thank you so much for the watching this video.